Hey, it's Nicole Johnson, and I just love the Nutriplus shakes, especially the strawberry flavor. Let's take the cap off. I take some milk. I like it with coconut milk. You can do almond, you can do regular if that's what you do. But I do coconut. About that much. And then we gotta get 2 scoops of the Nutriplus strawberry. Here we go. Ready? 1 scoop. 2 scoop. And I have my little hand blender. Let's try not to make a mess because it's super yummy. There we go. You just use a hand blender to mix it. Mix it frothy on the top. And it's oh so delicious. Appreciate you. And I'll link this for you.